Why am I showing you this room? Well, for one, it's also where I shot my channel trailer, but that didn't have anything to do with why I was showing you all this room. So, can we get an explanation finally? Yes, you can. Well, today I'm going to be showing you how to make Maruchan ramen. Why? Because I'm bored. I have nothing else to do. 50v50 matches in Fortnite aren't exactly the funnest. Build battles are cool, though, I guess. So first you want to get your ramen, Maruchan. You get the ramen. And you get a fork, because if you eat ramen with a spoon, you're a serial killer. And if you don't have a cooker, well then get someone else to make it for you, or literally read the instructions on the back of the package right here. But if you're too lazy to do that, then I don't know, whatever. So, see this? See this ramen? You wanna know what you gotta do with it? You're not gonna put this in the oven. No, because that's done. Plastic burns. When it does, it releases toxins and it smells really bad. You want to open the packaging, like literally anything else that's in packaging. Ooh. Alright. Then, inside the package, you'll find this brick of noodles. It was flash boiled or flash frozen. I don't know. You put it in the cooker like so. But then you're going to notice that something else is in there. Tons of little bits of hard noodle, but also a little packet. Save that for later. You're going to need it. Yeah. Now take this and fill it with water up to this line. There should be a little ledge on the inside. That's what you want to fill it up to. And there it is. After you have it filled with water up to the line, you're gonna put it in your microwave for 2 minutes. Start. And now we wait. Or maybe I edit this part out. I don't know how trimming works in Screencastify free. Base, trial, whatever it's called. Wait, can you see through? Oh, okay. There's a hole up on the left side of the lip, the mouth. This was a dumb costume idea to cover up my face. I mean, it's pretty ugly, so I'm doing you all a favor, but you know. I got in through this house by breaking in the window. But don't get anything wrong. This is still the house that I live in. It's just that all the doors were locked because I'm the only person in the house. Everyone had left. I was here last night, but I sort of had the windows. I mean, I sort of locked the doors, and yeah, when I left. Little did I know that I had discarded some shorts, some pants. Not shorts. I don't wear shorts. What are shorts? Those are like for 7-year-olds or whatever. With $10 in them, I'm gonna grab that. The microwave beeps. Don't tell me because you won't have the ability to because you're a computer webcam. Okay, so funny story. I sort of, the shorts are now in the washing machine. So there's that. But hey, look, our ramen did its time in the microwave, and hopefully it should be done. I forgot how long it's supposed to be microwaved for. But if it is done microwaving, which let's see, might need a little bit more time in. Perhaps 3 minutes. Yep, it should spend 3 minutes in the microwave before you do anything. Wait, one more minute. I'm gonna go check. The shorts have disappeared. They phased out of existence. The pants have disappeared. They phased out of existence. Wonder where they could have gone. I don't know. I can't do anything. That's the closest you're ever going to get to a PewDiePie face twist here. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. So after your microwaving is finished, 3 minutes in the microwave, your ramen should be al dente. I don't know, just use that because it sounds fancy. Now over here for a second, you weird human thingies that are there. See this ramen? See this? See this ramen? See this fork? Let me reach underneath you. This is not sexual violation because I'm touching a computer, not you. Get it? I'm fucking stupid. I'm stupid. You get your flavor packet. Just rip that baby open. Now, notice how I haven't drained the water out yet. That's because you need the water to get all that chicken flavoring in there. And you just want to spread it evenly on top. You can spread it evenly on top, but so most of the time what I do is just dump out a pile. But you also might be wondering, but wait, if just put it on top, you won't be able to get the flavor on all the noodles. That's where you're wrong, kiddo. Look what I'm doing here. Fold the noodles on top of each other. Mix them up. That is... It's really hot! Whew. Yeah, you put the noodles on top of each other. Mix them around a bit. You mix them around a little bit. And then, and only then, will you go over to your sink, put the fork over one of the corners of your cooker like so. Hold it to it, put the cooker on the edge, the corner, or whatever, that the fork is on top of. Then tilt it out and remove the hot water and disable spilling water all over yourself. Now, of course, you can still spill water. You can't get all the water out. But look at that. That's some nice ramen. And if you don't fancy being in a cooker, then just grab yourself a bowl or a plate. I'm not judging, but I am, because if you eat any noodle other than Italian noodles, Italian pasta, on anything other than a bowl, if you eat it, the only pasta that should be eaten on a plate is Italian pasta, noodles, Italian noodles. Anything other than that, bowl or cooker only. Sorry, it's hard to breathe in here. Let me just... So that was how to make some nice chicken-flavored ramen. This works with other flavors as well. See you all next time. Goodbye! Oh boy, can I... never mind. It'll end on its own in like 5 or 3 seconds, whatever.